Want to know where your T-Mobile order is? There are three main ways to check: the T-Mobile app, the website, and using your tracking number. T-Mobile has updated these systems for 2025 to make it easier than ever. Whether it's a new phone, a plan change, or accessories, you can easily monitor its progress. These tools require you to log in with your T-Mobile ID or a guest PIN, and they'll show statuses like processing, shipped, or delivered with estimated delivery dates. Digital orders activate almost instantly, while physical items come with a tracking number for detailed shipping updates. Let's start by taking a look at the mobile app. First, the My T-Mobile app on iOS and Android has been updated with AI chatbots for instant help. Log in, and you can ask about your order status via voice or text. Second, the T-Mobile website has a My Orders section with live updates and is mobile-friendly. Finally, for shipments, T-Mobile sends automated email SMS notifications with tracking links for carriers like UPS, FedEx, or USPS. Click the link to see exactly where your package is. The app is the most popular, with 85% of customers using it to track orders. T-Mobile's systems are secure, and they aim to keep you updated every step of the way, so you're never left wondering about your order.